Hello, teacher. You told me you wanted to talk to me after class. Well, here I am. Hello, Sam. Yeah, I'm worried because I see you very distracted in class. I see you on your cell phone during class. Sometimes you don't pay attention while I teach. Oh, sorry, teacher. No, sorry. I shouldn't use my cell phone in class. It's just that I like to stay up to date on social media, but I won't do it anymore. And why don't you better use social media to learn and practice your English? I mean, it is not bad to use social networks. During class, of course, it's bad. But you can also use these social networks to learn and practice your English. Really? I didn't know that. Can you tell me how, please, teacher? Sure. I will share with you some tips on how to use social media to learn and practice English. First, one of the best ways to practice is by following English content creators who teach language tips or post in English. Like English teachers who post short videos or stories? Yes, exactly. On platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, there are many English teachers and content creators who make videos about pronunciation, new vocabulary, and even fun challenges to test your skills. Watching these videos daily can improve your listening and also comprehension. Engage with the content. Don't just watch the videos. Comment on them in English. Even if it's a simple sentence, writing great video or I learned something new today helps you practice forming sentences and expressing your thoughts in English. Oh, I never thought of commenting in English. I usually comment in my native language. Try switching to English. It might feel strange at first, but it's an excellent way to practice writing. Another great strategy is to join English learning groups on platforms like Facebook or Reddit. These communities share tips, answer questions, and help each other practice. That sounds like a fun way to make new friends who are also learning English. But what about Instagram stories or TikTok? Can I use those too? Yes, you can. You can post short stories or videos speaking in English. It doesn't have to be perfect. Talk about your day, share a new word you learned, or even review a movie. When your friends or followers respond, you'll get the chance to continue practicing your reading and writing. But, teacher, I'm a little shy to post videos of myself speaking, though. That's okay, Mike. Start small. You could record audio notes and share them with close friends who also want to practice. Another idea is to watch English speaking influencers and mimic what they say. This technique is called shadowing, and it helps with pronunciation and fluency. Find a video or a story that you like, play it, and try to say the sentences at the same time as the speaker. It's a powerful way to improve your accent and learn the natural flow of sentences. Wow, that sounds like a challenge, but a fun one. Is there anything else I should try? Yes, one more tip. Follow accounts that post about your hobbies or interests, but in English. For example, if you love cooking, follow chefs who speak English. This way, you'll learn new words related to what you already enjoy. The more you immerse yourself in English content, the more natural it becomes. I love music and sports. Maybe I can follow English speaking musicians and athletes. Perfect idea. When you read their posts or listen to their interviews, you'll pick up new phrases and slang that you might not find in a textbook. It is really helpful. You should try it. Another way to make social media work for your English learning is to participate in live sessions. Many English teachers and content creators host live Q&A sessions or lessons. Joining these live streams allows you to practice listening in real time and even ask questions directly. That sounds really cool. I guess it could be like having a mini English class on my phone. Exactly. Plus, interacting during live sessions helps you practice reading and responding quickly, which is great for building confidence in your English skills. Now, here's another idea. Use apps like Twitter X to follow English news accounts or inspirational pages. Read their posts and try to summarize them in your own words. It helps with reading and writing. You can create a list of accounts that post about topics in English and check them regularly. Try replying or even posting your own thoughts in English. Keep it short and simple. Alright, I'll give it a try. I think writing short sentences is a good start for me. Great. Another technique is to use Pinterest. Did you know that there are boards full of English learning infographics and grammar tips? You can save these and review them whenever you need. It's like having flashcards, but in a more visual format. It will help you a lot with English. That's perfect. I like looking at pictures and learning visually, so that will definitely help me. One last tip for today. Find podcasts and listen to them while doing everyday activities like walking or cleaning. There are many podcasts aimed at English learners that come with transcripts, so you can read along as you listen. This helps you connect how words are pronounced and spelled. I've heard about podcasts, but I didn't know there were some for English learners with transcripts. Yes, and they are very helpful. Start with short episodes, maybe 10-15 minutes long, and gradually increase the length as your listening skills improve. Also, don't forget to take notes of new words. Lastly, one of my favorite techniques is to practice storytelling. Create short stories or posts. using the vocabulary and grammar you're learning. Platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels are great for this because you can pair visuals with your voice or text. It doesn't have to be complicated. A simple "a day in my life" video or a quick story about your favorite memory works perfectly. I think I'd enjoy making short videos. It sounds like a cool way to practice speaking. Yes, and it's perfect for building your fluency. Plus, if you make mistakes, that's okay. You can always redo your videos or learn from the comments you receive. The key is to start practicing. You can even monetize your videos and make money with them. Think about it. Thank you for all these tips, teacher. I feel like I have so many fun ways to practice now. You're welcome. Remember, learning English with social media should be fun and consistent. Try different strategies, see which ones you like best, and don't forget to share what you learned with others. And tell us, guys, do you use any of these strategies? Like and comment. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.